What's going on? What's going on? So I hope everyone is doing well. Alright, so let's get right into it. This week, here we are with dollar index. Previous lessons, we were looking for a push down below the presidential election spike. We got that. We look for a return back up to here and a push down, and we got that. Now, we mapped out this area as well, and I wasn't sure whether we were going to get another touch from here. I mean, after we got the other touch, after this one here to here, I wasn't sure that if this was going to be another catalyst to come here. Now, after we didn't make a new low, I'm still thinking that this area here is in the cards as well, still to play. So 96.90 is So 96.90 is our upside objective for the dollar, and here's our next downside objective for the dollar. $94. Let's go 94. Oh. Go 94.50. So 94.50 is our downside objective for the dollar, but I want to see if we get up here first. I am seeing some pretty interesting things in gold. I'm looking this week to find a low point or see the market reverse or reject at one of these two levels. I want to see if we get a rejection here. That may be the catalyst for us to the north side, but more convincing or more I guess convincingly, this would be the area that I see gold pushing down to and trading up for some time. Alright, so if I get this level, I'm going in and I'll be holding it for quite some time. It'll be a swing from first. I look for it to clear these equal highs, and then on a weekly you'll see here we have some equal highs here as well. But long term, I believe we're coming up here into this last up candle, or this down candle here. Is where she should see price move up to through the rest of the year, going in towards next year. Alright. British pound is the other one. I see there's a lot of buy stops resting above here. On a higher time frame, we've had a distribution after consolidation here, and I believe we're returning back to the institutional level where the big banks, where the big institutional smart money people are going to order up some more. They're going to go in once again at one of these two levels, and we'll target some higher prices. So that's what I'm looking for here. I'm looking for a response from this level or this level, and I'll be holding these for quite some time, both gold and and cable. Alright, and then doing some intraday day trades or all of the above within the two. Alright, so those are the only two I'm really concerned about. Also is looking at UCAD. UCAD, we should see some bearish movement. I would say this would be our next downside objective in UCAD. So watching this, we've already broke this low and returned back into it. If you look on a higher time frame, you have down candle, up move, and we broke away from it. We broke it with this large down candle here. We returned back into it here, and I see the next downside objective. The close of this down candle here. Then we'll see what we get from there. It's in a bullish order block as well, so we may push down to the mean threshold of this candle, the middle part. That's a downside objective, but I would look for this as the first target, and probably find something throughout the week to get in line with it going south. All right, possibly here. So possibly here, and catch it that way. All right, so hopefully this was useful. We'll see what we get this week, and hopefully be in line with some moves that are going to be pretty extensive. All right, so don't forget, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Also hit the bell so you'll be notified once I upload the video. And if I'm pointing, more than likely I'll be pointing out key levels, so you won't be delayed with getting that information. Alright, so until next time, good luck and smart trading.